Some of the bitches not like it. So there was 3 bolts here. I took them out, and now it looks like we gotta pop this foot off. If I'm correct, I should pull out like that. So we're putting in the electric jack. Hopefully, it's as easy as it seems. We're learning together. Yeah, it's just going to slide in. It's triangle just like the hitch. And then we'll bolt it down. Let me go on the other side. Okay, so it should slide right back in there. Like so. Cool. And we're just going to put the bolts back in. As you can tell, it's still, I won't say winter here, but it's still fairly cold. But we're trying to get prepped for our first big trip next month. Is there anything particular y'all would like to see before then? We plan on kind of really documenting the whole trip. I don't know how well it's going to be. We're completely new to this. But if there's anything y'all would like to see in the meantime, ask. As we do other content other than the camper, if you scroll back, you can see we have chickens, little homestead garden, so on and so forth. But yeah, we're gonna get these 3 in and we'll tighten it down. And it should be simple enough to plug in, and we should be good to go. There's that, and then it looks like it's just a simple cord. It's got a few inline fuse, which is good. I got to put that in the box of things we need to keep, but it's good nonetheless. Power up. You ready?
Yes.
There we go, just like that.